circuit spot. Eat up, eat up, eat up, eat up. Pack it up in his German car. She want Louis, she want Birkin now.
Technically speaking, we made $7 grand again.
What did I miss?
Be delusional.
Really care what you call me, just as long as you don't call me bro.
$199. This is what I'm basically looking at the moment. Bro, and take my real trades, bro. What the fuck am I doing?
Let's say China.
You tell me I'm someone you want. You tell me I'm something you need.
Good morning. It is literally Columbus Day. It's the first day of week 6 of trying to get 100K liquid. And the math is about to get a whole lot easier because not only did we pass Top Step and now we have 5 expressed accounts. Friday ended up blowing Blue Guardian and I'm not happy about it, but I did feel like I was distracted by the consistency score and I will continuously say that. But at the end of the day, that was still money we could have had. So it's not about, oh, we was distracted. It was based on our own performance if we just kept on lacking. So that day specifically was when Trump tweeted about China increasing tariffs, and since then he literally apologized. But besides it being Columbus Day, it honestly, we'll see if the market gives us anything. I don't think it will. It is moving crazy, so I mean, maybe from all that volume it might still do something. Let's take a good look at it real quick. Currently the market is moving at a 1% type energy, and this is what we're looking at. This is the massive push down. And again, like I said from earlier, this was the original breaker structure price I ended up using. I was just so used to using this zone right here because as you can see, I was using this zone all week. For today, it's going to be a little more complicated. I am going to have to put the camera down and look for what I'm looking for, but as of right now, this is what we're dealing with. Okay, so I did my analysis. So this is a 4-hour, this is a daily area of interest. This is a daily area of interest. I had to go up a time frame to figure out what price was using, and turns out it's using these 2 points. And going to 4-hour, I just used the exact points on the 4-hour. Same thing here, exact points on the 4-hour, but I used the daily as reference. I kind of had to. So now this is a pure 4-hour zone, so we're gonna rock with that. Depending on what price does here, I could sell if it goes below it and then buy here once price gets here, or I can just buy here if price closes above. It all really depends on what price does in the next few moments, but the ideal zone that I want to do something is right here, and that is buys, because price gets below here and sells off. By the way, this is 30 points, by the way. This is a lot of points. So if I can catch the sell here, that's great, and maybe I catch a buy here when it does it, cool. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at so far. So I'm about to show you exactly why I always sit on my hands, because price could have went both ways. So this is the 4-hour. As we know, I'm looking to do something here or here. This is the 1-hour. Price is closed below, looking for a possible retest sell to go down here. This is the 5-minute. Price has been giving nothing but crazy indications that potentially sell, and it did end up pushing like a good amount too. Pushed 14 points. That's a whole trade by itself. And as you can see, it gave multiple indications to possibly sell, possibly sell, possibly sell, possibly sell. But now it's above and it's getting closer to 10 o'clock. And this is why I'm like, this is why I sit on my hands. I'm trying to find, this is the only zone I can find that's the cleanest point that price is going to potentially go up at. Any other zone is not really clear, so I'm looking for something that makes the most sense, and I'm hoping it's going to retest buy, because there was no indication, there's no 5-minute pullback, and it's probably up like 10 points right now. Yeah, almost 10 points. So hoping price comes back and makes the most sense within a reasonable amount of time. But mostly importantly, I need the 4-hour to close above, so I know I'm looking to buy here and not here anymore. Even though this is the original breaking structure, high time frame area of interest, it would be amazing if price comes back here. But let's just wait it out. So it is almost 10 o'clock and price is just going for it. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. This is the 4 hour, which is very good, very expected. But again, the same reason why I didn't catch the buy right now, or like literally minutes ago, is the same reason because I didn't catch that sell literally minutes ago. I wanted to sell down so I can go up, but no, it ended up just going up. All right, so price ended up using this zone that I ended up marking up and coming right back to where I wanted it to, so that's kind of cool. And I'm hoping it's a clean retest. I might wait for the hour because I need clean data on the 5 minute, as in I need price to tap, and it validated this zone before, so I'm not going to be surprised if it taps it, reacts at it, goes beyond it, comes back, retest buy, or if it just wants to tap and go, which I hope it doesn't, because that's annoying. So what do we have here? So we have price is, well, look what we got going on. So it looks like the original zone might want to be entertained more. I just didn't expect this to have that much weight, and maybe it wanted a reason to actually end up going back down here, which is fine. But again, it's just funny. So today is just starting to look like a good trading day, because again, original analysis, I'm looking for the buy. The 1 hour ended up closing for the sell, not the sell, but ended up closing below this area after the freaking 4 hour closed above. And now again, if price wants to use this zone, I need to wait until 12. That's it. That's just my only requirement, because every time I had the idea to get in, it just ends up disrespecting the zone over and over and over. So I'm finally in a trade, and it was actually doing quite well. Now we're getting kind of cooked. We got a really good stop loss and good take profit. It's just now, of course, that I got in, it's acting funny. So despite it being stupidly dynamic and being crazy, I did end up, again, like I said, finding this zone. I found my support that I really wanted to rock, just in case it does want to be crazy again. Anything below here is just like, all right, bro, just call it. Max lockout is at 499, but stop loss is at 375, and I'm not even gonna bother to entertain it if it does keep playing. This is a massive stop loss of 8 points, and take profit is 23 points. Bro, what are you doing? Bro. Bro. What are you doing, Kyle? What are you doing? I don't mind the pullback, but what is this? Bro. Stop loss obviously is in a really reasonable point, and I could put it below here. I just don't really see a reason to put it below there. Part of me really wants to take the week off because I ain't got time for these conditions after Friday, bro. These Friday conditions kind of like had market going crazy. I just put the camera down. Bro, bro. What is going on? Bro, I can't just have a normal trading day, please. Bro. This is acting crazy. It's acting up right now. So again, price not doing anything. It's still stalling after that massive push it just did. Ended up going all the way back up and then coming back down, trickling back up, and now here we are again. Lowered the stops to 350, which original risk is 400. Again, that is now the new risk. So here we go again. The market plan, market games. It's still doing whatever. Still, I guess, doing whatever, just waiting. Very good, respectable stop loss. When it reaches a new level, I'm definitely going to put the stop loss to the yellow point or the red point. The red point was used here. The yellow point has not been used. So price finally ended up doing something out of this, which is great. This is the first area of interest that price is going to be interested in doing something at. This is a 4 hour zone, which is just showing. It's not a big zone, but again, as you can see, it's just breaking through zones right now, but it still has to like do something. But this is what we're looking at right now. I did end up risking $400 on this trade, so I'm definitely looking for anything double that ideally, since I'm targeting, you know, $600-700 maybe. And again, just the market doing what the market does, just giving a whole bunch of anxiety and false breakouts, but we're hoping for the best. Like I say a billion times, next update coming soon. So I did end up putting my stop loss basically below this area of interest right here. This is the zone that I'm basically trying to use next. I'm not putting any new positions or anything. I'm just trying to use it next. This is the high time frame area of interest that I've just shown you, and I'm trying to be very logical with this. I'm trying to level up in this trade and hope that's the case. It just pull back continuation to the upside. If not, stop loss is at 232, which is below this point right here. All right. We're probably gonna get the fuck out. It's probably gonna hit the stop loss. It's probably gonna hit stop loss. It's probably gonna tap this zone and go up long term. Hopefully that's not the case. Yeah, there you go. All right, well, that's your trading day. So despite it being a, you know, it could have been, you know, a green day, a bigger green day, like a $600 day, even with lower the risk. I usually run 15 contracts, but today was 9 because again, I needed more of a stop loss, and I'm not about to run a 9. But this is the situation. I can't even get back in if I wanted to because it just looks so bad. And that's really it. So I'm going to clear the charts and I'm calling it a day from here. So lock me out for the rest of the day, please. I don't want to trade. I don't want to mess up my account. The price ended up breaking above there, making it very obvious that it can potentially have a continuation to the upside, but end up just going all the way back to entry. So hoping tomorrow's gonna be a cleaner day because today was just disgusting. So this is my new life now, I guess. But price is just going right back up. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is October 15th. It is Wednesday, and honestly, it's starting to look like just chart work because like these episodes, because there's literally nothing else going on in my life besides the chart and temp money. It's 502. That's crazy. We're in Georgia. This is going to be my trading office.
Hear this.
Can you see me? Hello? Can you find me?
In the car, nothing. I have nothing, heard nothing from the car. Yeah, let me show you what today's looking like. This is the 4 hour time frame at per usual, high time frame area of interest. This is the first area of interest that I'll be interested in to look for a retest buy. That's literally it. 1 hour, same thing. The market tent is just starting to wake up at 1% every day since the news has been going on. Yeah, that's really it. I'll update you if anything happens. Alright, so quick update, market update. Price is at a high time frame area of interest. Since I'm looking for buys, I was looking for buys here, price never pulled back. I was looking for buys here, price never pulled back. This is a 4 hour area of interest that price is rejecting at, but it's currently above it on the 1 hour. And if the 1 hour closes above, I'm definitely gonna be looking for buys. Clear indication for buys if the 1 hour closes above. So right now it's getting closer to 11 o'clock. And I'm just chilling and waiting until it can close. So the 1 hour ended up closing below this high time frame area of interest. I wasn't looking to sell, but because it closed below, now I'm kind of convinced it could just have a pullback to where it wanted to. I'm not aiming for the full stop. I mean, the full like area of interest I wanted to, where I think price is gonna go. But I'm taking an opportunity that I think price is giving me. It's not the cleanest idea, but it's also it makes sense. It makes sense. Price could reject off here on the 4 hour and potentially use this on long term. All right, so price is moving. It's moving. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm gonna lower the stop loss probably to here right now because there's like no point to really have it up here anymore. We'll see what happens. So price is waking up. It's blowing past zone. I chose to wait a little bit longer, and this is what price is currently doing. Currently up 7.8, 7.12, and it's just kind of going for it. Today was very successful. It was a little uncomfortable because again, my actual direction was a buy. I was looking for a buy, but my strategy told me to sell because it's high time frame area was being respected. Whatever. I was looking to sell, and then once I got to sell, price was chilling. I protected the trade as early as that is possible. That made the most sense. And trade was protected with $60 profit, and after that it just kept melting. It started rejecting a bit, and it just started melting as you see, and then we ended up making $1,000 on the day, which is great because I was originally risking like 350. That's really it. It was a 1-to-3 restore ratio. It's a very good day, and again 5 accounts, so that's $5,000. So that's good. This is only the second profitable trading day. This is only my second day of really trading. So, I mean, my strategy is doing very well. I just got to be very patient and be willing to wait. So, other than that, I'll see you Thursday. Hey, yo, good morning, yo. It is Thursday, week 6 of trying to get 100 liquid. So yesterday was a really good day, even though it was a normal day, but again, strategy is very good. I need to be delusional to it. Today is going to be a little more complicated. Let me show you why. Right off the bat, I just opened the chart and I'm looking at this. Basically, yesterday is exactly what we're going to be looking at the zone yesterday, and it was up here, I believe so. Price ended up turning around crazily right here yesterday, and I got to take that zone very serious. So I'm going to be using this. This is obviously just to be, I'm keeping this here for like 2 seconds, but just a reference where what price is going to be doing and what it's going to be touching. So this zone is definitely important because of yesterday. This is just the first support zone I could find. I could possibly use this right here, but it's still kind of ugly if I use that. But this is it. This is literally it. This is why I love my strategy. This is very simple, very self-explanatory. And quickly, I want to chat. So again, Monday, recap on Monday. We ended up doing a 250 day, obviously times that by 5, break even day, as long as we follow the rules. As long as we follow rules, listen, it saved me like 5 times. No trade Tuesday, follow the plan. There was legitimately no trade on Tuesday. Yesterday, there was a trade, follow the plan perfectly. It was a sell in a bullish market. And then obviously times that by 5 on a regular $1,000 day on $350 risk. My goal is just to make as much money as possible, much real money as possible, not really focusing on a dollar amount, just focusing on the quality of the trade. If I can catch a trade, I can. If I can't, I can't. The account is profitable. I mean, the account is chilling. My strategy allows me to risk pretty much $300 to $400 to make anything in the realms of $8 to $1,000. This is the account. This is the total P&L at the moment. All I need is $753 to get it above it. So as you can see, price is coming down, and right now it still has nothing for me to do at the moment. I would prefer buys for obvious reasons, but price is finally like kind of like doing something, but it's currently below right now. So here we are. Price finally ended up closing below, which is a great thing. I'm just looking for now a retest sell because price never retested yet, so I'm definitely looking for that. And my target zones, I don't have any target zones. I'm probably gonna do an R to R, but my first reference zone I'm gonna say is probably right here, maybe. But you know, it's kind of far already. That's already kind of far, but we'll see because I'm not doing anything. Price did end up pulling back literally minutes later, and it ended up closing above on the 1 minute, which is a good thing because I was really hoping it was going to stay above and then create data up here and then come back and retest for a sell. That's how I like my trades. And I want the 5 minute to like have the body close up here but below it so I can get a really clean sell. But we'll see. It might use this, it might not. I'm trying to catch a good entry because price always likes to do something like this, but like go deep, come back. Sometimes it's like a 60% chance it likes to do this. 60% chance, not all the time. So All right, so I'm in the position. I'm not gonna say I have the best entry, but I have a really close one near my zone. Price is doing interesting stuff. It ended up closing below multiple times below this zone, which is great. I'm just looking for a continuation to the downside, honestly. That's all I'm looking for. So I ended up adding 2 more positions, totaling it out to 8, and price is rejecting off of this zone just like normal. I just want to know, let's make sure this is the real zone that I want to use. We're going to just hold it down to this point, and that's really it, and that'll just be my day. Take profit max 1100, but $1,000 is right here, so we'll see what happens. So minutes later, prices, literally minutes later, I end up lowering the stop loss to above this point because there's like literally no point to have it anywhere else at this point. So lowering the stop losses to down here, and price is just going crazy. I think it's gonna go even deeper with all this momentum, but obviously we're just gonna aim for our target. We're not gonna be greedy, and we're just gonna do our job. So chilling. Come on, come on.
Took my heart away from money, I ain't interested in fame, and I pray that never change. Ambition is priceless, it's something that's in your veins, and I put that on my name.
So 2 random things just came up. One, I'm going to Atlanta last minute. I'm cool with that, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'm 2 days away from potentially getting a payout from Top Step. All I gotta do is make $150 both days. All right, that's cool. Just do your job. You'll be just fine. And second, Akoya is done.
Open your eyes. Listen closely to the sound of my voice. With every word and every number, you move faster and faster. On the count of 10, you will be in horizon. I say 1. Your pulse begins to quicken. 2. Your friends rattle in the back seat.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Let me see. Get the light again. Go over here on the front. Oh, that's crazy. My baby's back. My baby's back. Oh, it's so quiet. There's no gas in it. Fuck. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. I want to hear the blow off valve. So guys, this is my baby. This is Akoya, the car that motivated me to work harder, work smarter, and stop being a fucking idiot. This costed me, I'm not proud to say this, but the repair cost total was over $20,000. And then with the mods was like $3 grand, $23,000 right here. Why? It is what it is. But she's back, she's healthy, she got a brand new short block, brand new wheels. Come over here, come. It's the nighttime, I'll show you some B-rolls later. Got some new wheels, absolutely beautiful. And they did everything perfect. It fits perfect, the fitment's great. Got a great alignment on it as well. And she looks so good, I can't wait. So in the daytime, I can't wait to see it. But other than that, today's Thursday. I had a great trading day today. And tomorrow I'm not gonna trade because Fridays is absolutely dog shit. But I'll see you, and tomorrow, just a live back test.